Ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is the ultimate kitchen upgrade, making meal prep effortless. This incredible 9-in-1 pressure cooker replaces so many appliances. It's a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, all in one sleek design. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its unparalleled versatility. Imagine whipping up gourmet meals or simple weeknight dinners with a single device. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can cook everything from perfect eggs to delicious cakes at the touch of a button, taking the guesswork out of complex recipes. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures durability and healthy cooking, plus it's super easy to clean, a major win for busy kitchens. If you're searching for the best pressure cooker or a multi-cooker that truly delivers, this is it. It saves time and counter space. Ready to experience the magic yourself? Check the description below for the direct Amazon link to grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's genuinely a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their cooking and eat healthier, faster. Whether you're a beginner chef or an experienced home cook, this appliance will quickly become your favorite kitchen assistant for everyday meals. For a smart, efficient, and versatile kitchen, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my top recommendation for 2025. You won't regret this purchase.